Good morning, GenStone. This is a short video that I'm putting together to express to you and your team how thrilled I am with this material. The first thing is I have to say that I'm not a very good carpenter, and I was extremely happy with how easy the material is to work with. I made one or two mistakes on the material, and it was easy to repair those areas with the included caulk and touch-up paint. Ryan was a huge help right from the very beginning. I was able to call him, give him measurements and thoughts, and send him a video as well prior to starting the project. I didn't go with every recommendation that he made, only because there was a certain look that I was going for, and I was also trying to be cost effective on the project. I also did a small area underneath this island as well. The reason I went with this particular product, color, and so forth is because this house is a very similar color throughout the whole house, starting in the breezeway as well as the whole exterior of the home. And I kind of just wanted to pick up a little bit of that as you're walking into the kitchen. The one thing that I think now that the wall's completed is I don't like the yellow paint, but I am going to repaint the walls the color of the mortar in the GenStone brick, because I think that'll make the whole project just pop so much better. Again, working with Ryan as well as the material could not have been a better experience. And I'm thankful that they're willing to take back any unused material at a full refund. I don't think you could ask for much more in today's economic world. Great product. Thank you.